I'm being attacked. Bark, bark.
Someone come take my bread. Come take my bread. Someone take my bread. Hey.
You guys step away from each other. There you go.
Come on. Come take my bread. Someone come take my bread. There we go.
Hey guys, I dare one of you to put bread on your head and walk out there.
That crackles like crap.
Now walk out there.
There, he got it. He got it.
Just put it on your head. There you go.
Wait, what? I'm not gonna do it. Try it.
Do it, son. Come on.
Rachel, try it. I want to see what happens. You gotta show it.
You got to walk out there.
Come on.
Okay, come back.
Show it to him.
Yeah, you here.
Mitchell, hold on your head like this. Like this.
You gotta get, there you go. You gotta get a customer's attention.
No, just put it on your head. They see it.
But say, we'll toss some more up here and start flying around.
No. They forgot.
Mitchell, you gotta hold it on your head.
This is my last little bit. I still have a lunch. Not a lunch.
Do it, son.
Do what?
Head thing.
No way.
Come on.
What? I tried. They got it in my hand. They really hurt.
Just put it on your head. Come on.
It wasn't that bad. I have a sunburn too. It's fine. Hello. Hey.
Do it.
Hey. Samuel, walk away from the others. Go this way. And then wave it around so they see it. Hello. Hello.
Son, there were some that were going to come get it, and then you moved again. You put
Samuel,
your
get
hand
the whole
up.
piece of bread.
Wait. Here comes. Here comes.
Yeah!
I didn't see it, but I felt something.
Yeah, I didn't see mine either.
You want to do it?
No, it's alright.